Welcome everyone. So there is no denying AITECH has been dipping a lot. So in this video, we're going to discuss if it's still hope for this altcoin. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and also check out my Twitter for some daily alpha. So first, we're going to take a look at some of the bullish updates that AITECH has been working on. And then towards the end, I'll discuss whether or not I think AITECH is still a good play. So first of all, we have updates on the data center. Looks like they're making steady progress. Couple of comments here highlighting the fact that this is taking longer than expected. This will take time, no doubt about it. This is not something that will be done in a matter of weeks. I don't really think people understand the kind of strict safety measures that data centers have to comply with. If we take a look at the data center roadmap, you can see that there's so many key aspects that need to be implemented the right way. So the data center is on its way. It's just going to take a little bit longer than people might have expected. Maybe they also expected AITECH to be more transparent about the duration of this project, but nevertheless, it's coming. Furthermore, for those of you who are worried about the marketplaces, the GPU and the AI marketplace, they have posted development updates on those as well, as we can see here. So things will take time. I speculate that the reason why they wanted to postpone the release, is because there's no point in releasing this kind of bullish news in a bearish market. It's a lot better for them to wait until we turn bullish again. And the same thing, like I said in my previous AITECH video, same thing goes for tier 1 listings, because this is really important. They've said that they will get listed on a tier 1 exchange during 2024. Tier 1 exchanges in a bullish market is huge. It will literally explode. In a bearish market, people do not care. So I think it's very important for them to wait. And another thing that is really important to keep in mind with these exchanges is that they are expensive. Do AITECH have the funds for such a listing? Because like I keep on saying, the biggest downfall of crypto projects is lack of money. Simple. In the majority of cases, that is the root cause of failure. No project will of course admit this. They will blame it on something else, but of course we know the truth. So does AITECH have money? Now, one of the things for me that is a testament to the fact that AITECH has a lot of money is their continuous marketing. You have organic marketing on Twitter, obviously, where they are super consistent when posting daily, but you also have more explicit paid marketing on platforms such as CoinMarketCap and CryptoRank. As you can see here, AITECH is constantly being shilled. Love to see. In my eyes, this is a testament to the fact that the team absolutely has money. This is marketing 101. The short-term effects of continuously running campaigns like this will boost engagement, visibility, which will of course lead to volume, word of mouth, etc. The long-term effects is going to be really interesting. People have a tendency to believe that once these campaigns are over, by the way, they might continue with these campaigns forever, what do I know? But people have a tendency to forget the power of conscious bias. People think that they're not affected by marketing, but once you're in a position to make a choice, 9 out of 10 times you will go with something that is familiar. And because of this marketing, AITECH will be a familiar altcoin for people and perhaps even top of mind when we talk about AI moving forward. So I absolutely think that AITECH will reap the long-term benefits of this marketing as well. Moreover, we of course have Crypto Banter and Joe Perry on our side, which is going to pump our bags even more. So this ties in with my earlier point about money and why it's so important, because staying relevant costs a lot of money, which AITECH has demonstrated that they have. So I'm not really worried at all in that department. Over to the tokenomics side of things, there was a vote and the team will now delay their vesting schedule that was supposed to take place at the end of December. That is good to see. Other than that, one of the reasons why we keep on seeing people selling their tokens in a continuous manner is because there are daily unlocks for seed, pre-public, and private. And of course, as you can see, they are up on their investment and they will likely be taking some profit. This might continue moving forward. One thing to keep in mind about vesting is that this doesn't really matter when we're pumping, because buy pressure will exceed the sell pressure from token unlocks. Obviously, we saw that when AITECH pumped the last time. Early investors were up 40x, and believe me, they were taking profits daily from the unlocks, but it didn't matter. So normally vesting is only relevant in bearish times unless the vesting schedule is really bad. And the funny thing is, people had absolutely no problems with the tokenomics when we were bumping during Q1 this year. Of course, it's when we're dipping, people express concerns. No one is going to express any concerns when we pump again. It's the same story over and over. USDT Tether in a bear market is a ticking time bomb. In a bullish market, It's the best stablecoin ever created. It's just how sentiments in markets usually are. Me personally, I'm not worried about the tokenomics at all. But finally, let's look at the chart. Like I said, we're down a lot, more or less 85%. One thing to keep in mind is that every AI altcoin is down, and even the good ones. AGI is down 83% and OR is down 91%. So it should be pretty obvious that it's not the project that are fundamentally weak, but more so the entire market and of course the AI narrative that is currently weak. Personally, which I've said since day one, I think AI will be the biggest narrative for this cycle. And I just want to show you guys something with regards to the chart and why it's so important to zoom out. So if we go back here and look at the early days of AITECH, so AITECH went live early September and we saw a pretty significant drop here, which is normal, in which AITECH dipped about 70%. We can see the same thing for AGI. This is actually a better example in which AGI dropped like 95%. By the way, if AITECH would have launched back in April 2023, just like AGI did, instead of September, where we're starting to flip bullish, that I can guarantee that AITECH will look exactly the same as AGI. The reason why I'm highlighting this is because people forget that we had a really tough time where you would wake up and see red days for months. And now, especially newer people who have never experienced this, they think this is abnormal. Let me tell you, this is normal. This is crypto. Things dropped 96% and then recovered to make a new all-time high months later. This has nothing to do with AITECH being a bad project. And I believe the AI narrative will bounce back. Like I said in my VIP Discord, you have so many things that could further facilitate an AI hype. A new wave could literally happen from everything, whether it be development within self-driving cars, AI with IoT, XAI, further healthcare, generative AI. There's so many things moving forward that can send AI flying again. And overall, there are so many bullish things coming from AITECH as well. I still think AITECH has extremely good risk reward potential, especially at these levels right here. The first secret gem is live in the VIP, which is also an AI deep in play, which is a lot lower market cap than AITECH. I think this one has great potential. We're also accumulating a meme coin that no one is talking about for some reason, but for me it's like buying Ponke at 5 cents. By joining, you get a portfolio review, courses in DCAing, finding gems, and profit-taking courses dropping this week. I honestly think now is a really good time to join this group, as now is the time you should be accumulating good projects and perfecting your portfolio to make sure that you actually make this bull run the best financial gain of your life. Prices will more than double when the bull rally begins again. If you join now, you lock in this price forever. You can also pay with crypto to get lifetime membership. Take care and stay safe.